It's definitely the premier certification in our industry.
The BICSI training taught me how to be a better technician when I'm working out in the field.
I'm currently an electrician, and I'm learning all this data through the BICSI program. In the BICSI installation class, I learned more about the cabling processes in the commercial and industrial field. Previously had some experience in residential, and the difference is quite significant.
Being a BICSI certified installer is great because it empowers me in the field to maintain standards that we have to use day to day in order to continually provide customer satisfaction.
In the BICSI installation class, I learned about more the safety procedures of how to run a cable, how to set up a ladder, how to set up the safety for the environment and for my co-workers.
The first time I learned about BICSI was when I was working in New York. There was a couple of technicians that were there, and they were telling me about the program because they had just passed it. And that's when I knew I wanted to take it so I can learn the proper way to do my job.
I learned about BICSI training from my operations manager. It was actually required that I take it to get on a job that I needed to go on.
I had a foreman that I worked with that was a career telecom individual, and he had his BICSI credentials, and it helped me to see that by having those credentials, it makes you a much better and much more well-rounded installer.
I've been a master instructor with BICSI for a little over a year now, and I've been a BICSI certified trainer for 10 years. The BICSI cabling installation program has been designed as a credential for installers and technicians worldwide that takes the approach of giving a career path and establishing best practices within the industry worldwide. It's a benefit to installers, but also to employers of those installers, as these days we see more credentials required for RFPs and communication efforts with global manufacturers.
I would recommend the BICSI installation training program because it allows aspiring installers or those that are seasoned in their field to actually become more acclimated with their standards and practices and best practices that we use every day in our industry. It allows us to be able to talk with our customers more effectively and also do our job more efficiently.
It helped me grow in the company, and it also allowed me to train up-and-coming technicians.
A lot of our customers now are looking for BICSI certified technicians out in the field, and the more we have, the more opportunities we have.
I'm able to approach jobs in a professional, confident way. I no longer have to guess at what the standards are and what's expected of me on the job site by my employer or by the customers that we serve.
It helped me have job security. Now that I'm able to do my job, knowing the standards and the proper procedures, it was reflected in my work, and it also allowed me to get a raise on my job.
After taking BICSI training, I'm better able to serve the customers by fulfilling more of their needs.
The BICSI training program empowered me to have a lot more confidence when I deal with customers on a daily basis.
I plan to further my education in BICSI, going on to Installer 2 and then to Technician, and then also on to RCDD.
This way I can learn how to plan jobs and not just do them physically in the field.
I am looking forward to learn and get involved in the business, try to open my own company.
I'm able to better empower myself and the customers that I work with in order to help them to understand why we actually use the standards and procedures that we do in everyday cable installation.
It enables me to communicate with my project managers and other technicians in the field in a way that everybody understands what's going on.
After I received the BICSI certification, it helped me to become a better instructor, a better industry person, and it helped me to be more marketable in telecommunications.